The TobenONE laptop docking station is a game-changer for anyone looking to transform their laptop into a powerful desktop setup. With its sleek and space-saving design, this docking station is an excellent choice for those with limited desk space. Imagine having a clutter-free workspace while enjoying the benefits of a desktop-like experience. This dual-monitor docking station supports 4K at 60 Hz resolution through its 2 HDMI ports, providing an immersive and crisp visual experience. The included 100W power supply ensures your laptop stays charged and ready for action. But that's not all. The TobenONE docking station also features a robust selection of ports to enhance your connectivity. With 6 USB ports, including USB 3.0 Type A, USB 3.1 Type A, and USB 3.1 Type C, you'll have plenty of options for connecting peripherals and external devices. The Ethernet port ensures a stable and fast internet connection, perfect for online meetings or gaming sessions. And for those with compatible devices, the docking station supports USB-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt 3.4 systems, making it future-proof and versatile. The TobenONE docking station is compatible with a wide range of laptops, including popular brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, Microsoft, and LG. Whether you're a professional seeking efficient multitasking or a student looking to enhance your study setup, this docking station has you covered. Its compact size and elegant design make an ideal choice for home offices, schools, and any routine tasks. The stand feature adds an extra layer of convenience, providing a comfortable viewing angle and reducing eye strain. With a 30% discount, you can grab this docking station for just $139.99, making it an incredible value for the features it offers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your laptop setup and take your productivity to the next level. The TobenONE laptop docking station is a must-have accessory for anyone seeking a seamless and efficient computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.